In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete in Canva. If you've ever ended up with an extra page in your design, or you simply want to remove a slide you no longer need, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it, clearly and confidently, without touching anything else in your project. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is open, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see a row of small thumbnails. These are your pages, sometimes called slides. Each thumbnail represents one page in your design. Take a moment to identify the page you want to remove. It helps to glance at the thumbnail preview so you're sure you're targeting the correct page before you proceed. Now, hover your mouse over the specific page you want to delete. When you're on the right one, go ahead and right-click directly on that thumbnail. A context menu will appear, and in that menu, you'll see the option labeled Delete. Click Delete, and that page will be removed from your project. That's all there is to it with the right-click method, fast and straightforward. If you prefer using your keyboard, there's an equally simple option. First, click once on the page thumbnail to select it. You'll notice it becomes highlighted to show it's active. With the page selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. The page will disappear from the panel, just like it would with the right-click method. This is a convenient approach if you're already navigating with your keyboard and want to work a bit faster. A couple of quick reminders to make this smoother. Before deleting, double-check the page thumbnail so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. Remember that deleting a page only affects that single page. It doesn't delete your entire design or any other pages. If you're reviewing a long document, consider pausing briefly to confirm the content on the page matches what you intend to remove. If you do delete a page and immediately realize it wasn't the one you meant to remove, you can simply undo your last action to bring it back. This gives you a little safety net as you clean up your design. And that's it. Open your project, find the page thumbnails at the bottom, hover over the page you want, right-click and choose Delete, or select the page and press the Delete key. With these two options, you can quickly tidy up your Canva project and keep your design focused and organized.